guys, welcome back to another Nadine West. We were playing outside and then the kids went down for a nap. So I just had my first meal of the day. It's like 3:30. I figured since they're napping, it's the perfect time to open my Nadine West. It's been sitting here staring at me for days. If you like these videos, you can check out the playlist. I have all my Nadine West in a playlist titled Nadine West. I just recently did a huge try-on haul because I was behind on trying on stuff from a couple. Sorry, I gotta scoot over a little bit. Ooh, I see colors and prints in here. So we have one bundle. And two bundles. Trying to get my child to stay in her bed. She's supposed to be napping. I've put her back in her bed like 4 different times. Listen, I'm filming. I'm filming a Nadine West. Not this one. This one's not napping. The other two. So this says there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Ooh, necklace, dress, bottoms, top.
Can I see?
I haven't opened them yet. That's what I'm going to do. Hold on. So let's start with the first bundle.
I'm going to open what's in the sweater because I'm reading up there and I'm already on page 100 and something.
Oh yeah?
It's a chapter book.
Okay, so here's the first shirt. This is like a nice summery,
Actually,
like a summery pattern with like the leaves and the flowers. That's cute. It's like a, I feel it. It's like a gauzy material.
Oh my goodness, I love that. I wish they had that on my size.
So it's like 3/4 sleeves. It has, it buttons down part way. This is so cute. It has a little pocket up here. Okay, so what is this one? This is, I'll say this is the Janelle. It's an ivory floral for $26.99. I'm assuming that's what this one is. That's really cute, and it looks super comfy because it's nice and light. Yeah, that's probably what that one is. The next one in that bundle is, ooh, this cute little tank top.
That's what I said.
What?
I said, ooh, in my mind.
And this one at the top has like lace detail. That's cute.
I love those type of ones where they have like either lace at the bottom or like lace at the top or something.
Yeah. So this one is the Amour in black flower, and this one is $34.49. So there's that one. So there's that one. That's my feet on my desk. This next item in here, oh, it looks like pants. I don't even know what you'd call this print. Let's see what it says. Oh, it says these are the Sasha. They're leopard leggings, and they are black, white animal, and they're $24.99. Is this leopard? That's what they're calling it. These are super soft. Feel how soft those are.
Yeah, those off my sweaters.
Yeah, I know. So there's those.
But that's way softer. I feel like it feels way softer.
When your sweater's fuzzy, that's just like a soft material. So now this next bundle.
Put it on like 20 minutes ago.
We have, I said this is a dress. This is the Patty in dusty pink for $35.99. Yeah, it is.
It looks like the same color as my sweater.
So it's this dress. It has like a neck and a cutout, and it has the cold shoulder type sleeves. So this would be on your sleeve. Your shoulder would be cut out, and then your little sleeve would be down here. Cute.
I love that shirt. I wish I could have that, but it's way too big. It's like,
yeah. So there's that. Cute. Especially with the cutout, and it has like the ribbed,
are these
like a tank top. So there's that. It looks like it'll probably go like maybe mid-thigh. So there's that dress. And then the last article of clothing in here is, these are the bottoms. These are called abaya, and burgundy, and they are $21.99. Oh, look at the detail on these.
That looks so pretty.
That is so cute, like a little buckle.
That has like a
That's
little,
cute.
But how would you
They're
wash
actually
it?
attached.
How would you wash
You would just wash it, honey.
Oh, okay.
And they have front pockets, they have back pockets. So anyway, there's those leggings. And the last thing I have, sorry, I'm gonna have interruptions. I try to do it without, oh, she caught it in time, but it just doesn't always work that way. And then the last thing in here is the Swarovski Infinite Grace in clear. It is $29.99. It just came off of the cardboard. You got it just in time, thank you. So here is the necklace. It's like one giant crystal. That's pretty.
Whoa. It's like that big. Well, not that big.
That is so pretty though. Let me get my necklace out of the way. That's really sparkly and pretty.
On that other necklace that you have on.
Look how pretty that is. All right, now it is time for me to try these items on and see what I think of them. So I will be right back.